What's up, guys? Welcome to 707 Douglas. This is Truffle Shuffle MTV crib style. Come on in. This is our receiving area right here. Look at all this ice. This keeps all your packages nice and cold. You turn to the left right here. This is what I like to call our whip. Sitting here on 10-inch rims. Over here, this is our CPG area. This is where all of our salt and our honey goes out, truffle shavers, all of the customer service goes down right here. Any questions you may have, they're answered. All right, let's show you guys the walk-in fridge and freezer. So come on this way. Have you guys ever seen this big of a freezer before? Look at all that ice. It's pretty cold in there. This is our walk-in fridge. Everything that's going out to you guys in the kitchen, nice and organized right here. Good to see you guys again. So this little hallway here, we make sure that we keep it super organized. This is all of our shipping packaging supplies. Right here, this is all salt that we have imported from Bali. Over here, our beautiful Marshall Farms honey that we use for our brown butter truffle honey. Check that out.
Oh yeah.
All right, next we're gonna take you to where the magic happens. Look at all these boxes. Got about 800 boxes right here. We already discussed boxes, right? Boxes. This is our main assembly line. So each of these tables will have an individual there. They'll have all the ingredients. We'll get to send the boxes down the rollers, and then by the time it gets down here at the end, your box is completed. So let me show you over here. We got some of our guys right now working, prepping it up for next week. So this is our prep station over here. We'll have everyone have their tasks going, right? Getting all the prep going for the next week. Got some champagne vinegar, got some oil going on over there. Check out all the bling we got. Wow. That's 24 karat right there. Over here, some more produce. We got bags of flour right there. Look at all these containers. Beautiful. Still got the sticker on them. They're that fresh. Over here we have box storage / liners. All these guys right here, they keep all your food cold. All kind of boxes here in the box room. You want a size? We got the size. Welcome to the yard. Now I'm gonna show you guys the studio kitchens. We actually took 2 shipping containers, totally reformatted them, and made them so we could teach you guys nationwide how to cook with us. Come check them out. Rachel, what are you doing in here?
Making some pasta dough.
So, as you guys can see, it's pretty small in here, but honestly it works perfectly fine for what we need. We got one incredible chef right here. We have another incredible producer right here. They got their 2 monitors, induction burners. We got a sink, little fridge, the whole setup that we need to teach you guys how to do it. We're gonna let Rachel get back to making this pasta, but it looks great, chef.
Thanks, Ian.
All right, guys, now you've seen it all. We did the whole loop. That is our warehouse, and we are so excited to be able to cook with you guys, and now you guys get to see behind the scenes of what it's all like here at Truffle Shuffle. Can't wait to cook with you.